All right, as people are starting to show up, before a lot of them show up, let me give you a sneak peek of this beautiful property. Come on. All right, down here on the main level, nice entryway, and directly on your right you have a really spacious bedroom with its own bathroom. And got the garage access down here, another room, bonus room I'll show you here in a moment. But yeah, check out this garage, nice and spacious. Plenty of room for toys. One car garage. And going upstairs. Beautiful big master suite with its own balcony, its own bathroom. And see, we got Steve Hirschler down here. Hey, buddy. One of the things I love about Viking Estates is it's right on the water. You do have a dock and or access to a dock, and out here, nice, lovely, large field, grassy field to be able to walk the dogs. It is a dog friendly. Hey, you're on camera. Thank you for coming. And nice big open kitchen, granite countertops, beautiful cabinetry, a spacious dining area, and the living room. Beautiful fire area, fireplace, another balcony. The grounds are nicely maintained. You got a big pool room down here, inside pool, spa, and then, like I said, access to the dock.